Hello everyone. Today we have got an exercise. If you look at this exercise, you can see that this exercise is left to right symmetric. So if we can make the one half of this exercise, we can just mirror the other half of it. So let's start first choosing a plane. You can choose any plane. I am choosing the front plane here. Okay, so this is our origin. Uh, I will start from the left portion. Okay, so I'm gonna pick a circle here and start making two circles. The smaller circle, the dimension of the square circle is diameter 2.8 millimeters, and the outer circle diameter is 5.6 millimeters. Okay, so those two circles are fully defined. You can see it is on black color, and this is also said that it's fully defined. Okay, now I am gonna draw some reference line or center line. I'm gonna start from here and little bit more right, and now another center line from here to here. Okay, those center lines will be used for reference purpose later. Another center line, these have to be vertical. Okay, now from distance of this center line to this center line is 6 millimeters. So we will mirror the whole thing against this line. Okay, so this will be the half of our total sketch. Now I'm gonna draw a line from here to here. Now we have to go upside, but there is a fillet. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring back my mouse cursor to the initial point. Look very closely. Okay, and when I just move my cursor here, it's gonna convert to an arc. Okay, so it's gonna convert an arc. So applying this method will increase your drawing speed. Okay, now it's a line. Okay, so it's going line, and I can do this same again. Okay, just bring back here, and it's an arc. Okay, just put it here. Okay, so I have to add some dimensions and relations here. The distance from here to here is 3.5 millimeters. Okay, the radius of this arc is 1 millimeters, and the radius of this arc is 2 millimeters. Okay, so we have to make a relation here. Okay, this arc and this arc is tangent. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click here and then press the control button, and then I'm gonna press this I'm gonna click this arc, sorry, circle, and now on the left side it will show me how many types of relations can be added. Okay, so I'm gonna pick the tangent relation here. Okay, so you can see that now it is fully defined. Okay, but this portion is not defined. Why? Because I have not mentioned the length here. Okay, so let's fix this. Okay, so the distance from here to here is 8 millimeters. Okay, so now you can see that all of our sketch is fully defined. It's fully defined here. It has turned into black. Everything is black. It indicates that the sketch is fully defined. Okay, now I have to draw the center portion of this drawing. uh, for that I'm gonna need some more center lines. Okay, so I'm gonna draw a center line here to here. I have to just put this uh, point with this line. Okay, I have to put this point to this line, so it will look just beautiful. Selecting this point, clicking here, I am pressing the control button, control, and clicking here. Now we can add the relation here. Okay, SolidWorks suggesting us what kind of relation we can add. So I'm gonna add coincident relation. Okay, so mm, the distance from here to here is 5.5 millimeters. Okay, now I'm gonna draw a line from here. I'm gonna draw the arc in the same manner. And there is a line. Okay, so okay, okay. Now I have to put some relations and dimensions here. Okay, so from from this line to this line, the distance is 3.5 millimeters. The radius of this arc is 1 millimeters, and the distance from here to here is 1.5 millimeters. Okay, so once I have put all the possible dimensions and relations, you can see that the whole sketch has turned into black, so it means everything is fully defined. Okay, so since we have some reference lines here, we can mirror this sketch, this profile against those lines, so we can make this happen. Okay, before that I'm gonna draw another arc here. Okay, this arc. Okay, so for that I'm gonna choose 3-point arc. Okay, this arc will start here, end here. Okay, and the middle point is, I'm assuming, something here. This arc will be tangent with this circle, and the position of the center point of this arc. Okay, this point is the center point of this arc, so this point should be coincident with this line. So I'm gonna add those relations, selecting this arc with this circle and tangent. Okay, okay, so let's put the radius of this arc. Radius is 12 millimeters. Don't get afraid. Okay, it will be in shape very soon. Okay, now what I have to do is put this point here. Okay, so clicking this point, control plus this lines, and add coincident. Okay, so now this arc is also fully defined. Okay, so now everything is almost complete. I have to just make some mirrors. Okay, I am gonna select mirror entities. First I will mirror this profile. Okay, I am gonna selecting this. I have to mirror this profile um, against this reference line or center line. Okay, so this thing is mirror. This thing has been mirrored. Make sure the copy box is checked. Okay, now we are almost done. The first half of our exercise is ready, so we have to just mirror this sketch against this line, then it will be completed. Okay, so I'm gonna choose mirror entities. I'm gonna put everything here. Okay, so everything is here, you can see. I have to mirror against this line. Okay, so I'm gonna select this and select this line. So now look, this line is also included here. Okay, so once I select this line, this line will be removed from here and it will be transferred to here. Okay, so I'm gonna select here. Okay, it's showing. Okay, and make sure the copy checkbox is checked. Okay, okay, so you can see that our exercise is completed and everything here is black, so our sketch is fully defined. Thank you very much.